Hello. Welcome to a short copywriting tutorial that's going to help you figure out what you can write about in an email marketing promotion or even in your content emails or social media posts. It's something that I do when I don't have enough information from my clients about the target audience or the problem that your product is about to solve. So whenever that happens and I don't have like a survey, I don't have enough customer language, I actually do a very quick thing that you can do. It takes just having like an internet connection. And it's going to help you figure out what are the questions your audience has in relation to a specific topic. Let me show you. So we're going to go to Google. And we're going to google.com. So let's see. I recently had to write an email promotion about the topic of relationships. So let's see what comes up. 6 types of relationships and their effect on their life. We have something from Psychology Today. Let's scroll to the bottom of the page and see what we have. We have types of relationships, romantic relationships, relationships advice. So let's see, in my case, this course was about all relationships possible. So I had to choose on something that was very visible. So the most acute problem people have when it comes to relationships is with their partners. So let's go with romantic relationships and see what comes up. Now, the best section on this page is this one. People also ask. So based on what you're going to see here, you can get an idea of what your target audience is interested in learning when it comes to a specific topic. Now, this is still a broad query. We're just talking about romantic relationships. But if you don't have much to go on, if you don't know whether your target audience are a majority for like women versus men, if it's I know about the divorce or things like that, you can just start from the most generic thing possible. So let's see, people want to know what is a normal romantic relationship. This is very good because you can use this to make them curious. Is my relationship normal? What does that look like? So this in itself can be a subject line and you can talk about it. So let's see what happens if we want to learn more. What does a healthy relationship look like? This is good because this would be in a relation with my client's topic. So this is good. What are the 4 types of relationships? I don't think I want to click that because it sounds like it's not going to be about romantic relationships. What are 3 warning signs of an unhealthy relationship? This is good, but I'd like to keep it under romantic. What are red flags in a relationship? Again, this is very good. So let's see what happens if I go with what are the stages of a romantic relationship. Romance, power, struggle, stability, commitment, and bliss. That's awesome. I can also use this in an email. The best questions for couples at every stage. Fabulous. So I can use a version of this in an email that says, where's your relationship stuck right now? Or how to go from power struggle to stability in your relationship. What are the 5 levels of intimacy? What are the 7 stages of love? How long do relationships usually last? This is so good. Again, we can use this in an email. Now, the way I do email marketing promotions is that I have a very specific journey of walking the people reading the emails through a journey. It starts with making them aware of the problem, because the chances of your audience being aware of a specific problem, I know, on a regular Wednesday at 9 a.m. or whatever, are very slim. So we need to make them aware of a specific problem and how that problem is impacting their life, and then walk them through towards the solution. So average relationship length, fascinating facts. This can be in stage 1 of this email marketing journey, which I would call like problem aware. How to build a healthy romantic relationship. This is good. This could be an idea, a topic for the email that introduces my solution. Tips for building a healthy relationship. Again, I can use this in the warm-up emails. One of the emails that I do at the end of the problem agitate part of the warm-up sequence is giving them like a quick win, like a short, easy to implement solution that helps them find momentary relief from the pain that I have just agitated. Okay. So one of the questions that I know a lot of people have is, why are relationships so hard? So why are relationships so hard? Why are people avoiding relationships? Why are my nipples itchy? I don't know why Google is thinking about this, but what the hell? So why are relationships so hard? Let's see. What is the hardest year of a relationship? Why are relationships so hard to end? Are relationships supposed to be hard or easy? Why dating is so hard today? This is fabulous. So all of these can be topics that I can talk about in those emails and connect it with my client's solution, right? Because these people, they are aware of the problem. The problem is that relationships are hard. Yeah, this person as well, like, why are relationships so hard to end? So what this helps me do is relate to the audience who is having problems in their relationships. And I want to relate with them first, make them aware of how their problems in relationships are impacting various aspects of their lives before I even try to pitch. This is very important. A lot of people try to sell to their audiences without having them prepared, without walking them through the various stages of awareness that you need to have in marketing. But that's a different discussion. So let's see, why dating is so hard today. Is 30 too old to find love? Why is dating so hard for guys in 2021? So these are very good if you know that your audience has a very specific demographic. So first, if you know that most people on your email list, or even on your social media or whatever, your target audience are people, I know, between 25 to 35, then you can definitely use this as a topic email. Why is dating so hard for guys in 2021, I assume? Well, again, that's an amazing way to start having a conversation with your audience, a very specific audience. So like, only use this if you do help men learn how to date. Now, since it's not 2021 anymore, you can still use this. Like, why is dating so hard for guys following 2021? So these are all ways in which you can connect with your audience and make your emails easier to write. Now, again, this copywriting tip works when you don't really have enough information from your audience. So if you don't have like a survey, if you don't have a community, a social media, or even an email list of people that you can ask about specific, what are your problems with dating, with relationships, what do you want to know, how are you struggling with, then go to Google and start doing this research. Obviously, there are more steps and this process can be very complex, but this is like a really quick hack to get a huge list of ideas that you can address in your emails. And that's going to help you build relationship. build trust, and connect with your potential audience. So this was it. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon on another quick copywriting tutorial. Let's call it that.